haven't had hot chocolate, like an actual hot chocolate not made with water, which is disgusting in the first place, in so long, with just real milk.
What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and welcome to another Keto Savage Kitchen episode. Today, we're going to be making some hot chocolate. It's getting cold outside. It's about time for hot chocolate. Isn't that right, babe?
That's right.
All right. The whole reason we were motivated to do this recipe, besides the fact that it is getting cold outside, is because we found this beauty of a find. It's Maple Hill Organic, zero sugar, no sweetener, whole milk. And I haven't had
Cow's milk.
Cow's milk. Not almond milk, not coconut milk, not soy milk, real milk. I haven't had milk since I've been keto. This stuff is delicious. This could be a recipe on its own. Try it if you haven't.
Recipe?
Yeah.
This milk could be a recipe all on its own. So there is 110 calories, 8 grams of fat, 8 grams of protein, 0 carbs.
Boom.
Pretty awesome.
All right. As always, you know what we're doing and I don't. So what's step number 1?
All right. So is that plugged in?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to very low. We're going to add in this water and get it very low, the lowest you can get it.
Okay.
All right, and then we're gonna add in these two. You can kind of like
Melt this.
hold on. You might want to like grate it up a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just a little bit smaller so it melts a little bit better.
This is 100% dark chocolate.
Yeah, we didn't go over what we had here.
Yeah, this is the Baker's brand 100% dark chocolate. Normally in the cooking aisle, not in the chocolate aisle.
All
This
right,
is,
hold on.
what do we got?
In there, I just put water. It's a 1/3 of a cup of water. This is just 2 squares of the 100% Baker's chocolate. This right here is 5 tablespoons of cacao powder. Cocoa powder, not cacao, cocoa powder. And then we have a couple of sweeteners. You can choose whatever sweetener you want. These are just 100% stevia, so we like that. We really like monk fruit as well, but we don't have any monk fruit right now. So let's make sure that we're gonna just turn that off until you're done with that.
Okay.
You don't want it to get super duper hot. You want it to boil eventually, but maybe more so when it's all mixed together. We do have this imitation vanilla. Don't use imitation vanilla like us. Use vanilla extract, like the actual real good extract stuff. Don't be like us. We're gonna be doing, I think about a teaspoon of the extract, 4 cups of this milk. And then these are kind of optional things, but I thought they were kind of a fun idea to make it a little bit more healthy, especially if you're gonna make this for kids or something like that. This is an MCT oil powder. We're gonna do 2 scoops, which is 14 grams of fat total. And then we're gonna do 1 scoop of the protein, or the collagen peptides as well, which is gonna be about 10 grams of protein. You can do more or less depending on what you prefer. You got that?
How's my tricep look as I grade this chocolate?
I'm gonna put this in there too. So we're just gonna go ahead and add all the chocolate. Wow, he's getting it everywhere.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and add all the chocolate and everything. Get it all mixed in there.
What do I do once it gets pretty much to the point where my...
You can probably just throw it in there after it's...
Have one big chunk in there?
Yeah. I just want it to melt a little bit better.
I'm making a mess. Woo, good.
I should have added a little bit more water. Ah. Alright, can you pour in 2 cups of milk?
2 cups of milk.
Oh no!
What?
I forgot. We had to add cream.
We haven't, or we should?
We have to add cream. I forgot that was I forgot to grab the cream.
I can do that.
So when you're adding in the milk, what you don't want to do is boil the milk. You want it to get hot. I get this. You want to pour 2 more cups, or two more cups of milk in there.
Not cream.
Correct. So you want this to get hot, but not boil. Make sure all the little chunks are out of there.
How much cream?
1/4 cup of heavy cream. And that's just gonna make it nice and thick and rich and delicious.
A bit more. Boom chakalaka.
Do you want to add some of these in there?
I don't really do a lot of sweetener. How much should I add? Just a smidge?
I would do like 2 droppers.
The droppers are never always full. Like
Yeah,
when they say
they're
put a
like-
dropper full, it's like there's never a dropper full.
Yeah. I don't think we'll add any of this stuff. I just wanted to show you guys an example of it. And then if we want to,
What about this? This?
we'll add that afterwards. If we want to add some more sweetener later, we can add in some of the powder or some more of the liquid.
MCT powder?
Yeah, I want this to get warm though first.
There's a whole bunch of MCT oil powder brands out there, but I've actually been digging this one pretty good. It's pretty clean, absorbs pretty well, and the only supposed ingredients are organic MCT oil powder. Not sunflower lecithin or some type of binding agent like that.
So this is warm enough to where I'm going to just go ahead and add in the MCT and the collagen. And again, you can add more of the collagen or the MCT that you really want.
All right, time to taste it.
So I am gonna taste it, not Robert.
Not me.
I'm gonna taste a little bit just to make sure it's sweet enough. I'm trying to not show you guys my look. I'm gonna heat it up. I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit more because it's still pretty cold. But I am gonna sprinkle some of this stuff in.
What's that, just stevia?
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. Time to drink up. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pour this without spilling it everywhere.
Should I do it?
No, I got this,
Oh,
babe.
he's got it. Woo! Spilled it a little bit. It's all right.
Look at that.
Wow, guys, look how chocolatey and delicious that looks.
Boom, chakalaka.
Wow.
And if you're really feeling frisky, you can put some
Frisky.
frothed cream in there. Lucky for us, we happen to have a cream frother. So check out this.
You could even make that sweet too, like add vanilla to. Oh, we forgot to add the vanilla. We're dumb.
Boom. All right.
Mmm.
Cheers.
Excited about this.
That's pretty
Tastes
good.
like wintertime. Yeah, this is hitting the spot for me right now.
Yeah, I think it's like time for some pumpkins and some Christmas trees and stuff. Candy
Pumpkins
cane.
and Christmas trees. I do love hot chocolate. I am definitely a hot chocolate lover. And so I think this would be like a perfect little replacement. I've been kind of sad the last couple years. So when we very first started keto, I did like those sugar-free packet things. And now looking back at that, I am surprised that I let myself eat it. But I didn't really know any better at that point. So then I just went a couple years without hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate in the wintertime. So this is a perfect little replacement.
Also, there's a ton of natural magnesium in this chocolate and just chocolate in general. So like if you have trouble falling asleep and you make a cup of this healthy hot chocolate for you before going to bed, I guarantee you'll be out like a light.
A lot of calcium in that milk,
Yeah.
and then collagen, and MCT, and all the good stuff.
Healthy hot chocolate.
Healthy hot chocolate. There's one other thing I was gonna say. Can't remember.
But we appreciate y'all tuning in. Definitely check out the other recipes we have on ketosavage.com for more info. That's where we'll put the full ingredient breakdown and macros for this recipe. Until next time, stay chocolatey, y'all.